we're doing shotguns versus snipers. As you can see, I lowered. Okay, that was a great introduction. Great introduction. Bravo. Best introduction I've ever seen. Of course, we're joined by the Hey Monster 08. No. No. Sadly, no. Well, then I'm going to have to, I'm not going to be able to talk. Yeah. I would have to unplug it. Drop it in the triangle! Hard scoping! Hard scoping! Finally! I dodged.
Your new place looks nice.
Thanks, kiddo. It took me months to get in here. I had to wait for 3 people to kick the butt. Oh. Wow. This place
Because it's the closest emote, and it has a good remix in it.
I'm really loving it here. So, what's on the
Closest emote to how the chameleon backbling dances. Yo! I wasn't ready!
I think your grandfather would be happier spending a day here at Sunset Canyon. Right, Albert?
Oh, yes. Of course. Good call, Sue.
But Papa...
That's okay, Lincoln. Sue here
If you're gonna beat me in a build battle.
She knows best.
You're going 5 miles over the speed.
Yeah, I have shotguns, so you're gonna have to try to get those no scopes down, yeah.
Get back here. Hey,
I'm gonna have to get a lot of mats if I'm gonna build battle you, because you're good at building too.
cannonball? Oh, that's
Sure, why not? Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na.
Why don't you grab a
Where are
seat
you
on
at?
the
Oh, hi.
Good call, Sue.
And
Ah,
speaking of
sorry.
food safety, I have
Sorry,
something
sorry, sorry.
for you, young man.
Okay, Lincoln. Splash fight in 3, 2...
Da, 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 da.
I'm gonna reapply
Na,
some
na, 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 na.
And now, Lincoln, Sue knows what's best.
Okay, Seymour, you can stay in the water. If you want your skin to flake off like a burnt potato,
Don't worry, I only have 19 HP. I only have 19 HP. How about you get 1 shotgun, I get 1 sniper.
this look
I'll
like
take
a
your
great
hunting
way to
rifle.
end up in traction. Why don't you go help Scoot?
I need ammo for it.
I expressly said no.
Dude! I'm leaving.
Catch me, shrew. Papa, you really need an app?
Those are Sue's rules, and Sue knows best.
Can't you see
No,
what's
oh
done to
yeah,
you? She's
not that
convinced
heavy.
You're old and frail, but you're not. The last time we hung out, you
I need
crushed
mats
us
too. I need to grab mats. I need mats.
I took it to him, but that was
I need
years
mats.
ago, Lincoln.
It was last month. Papa, I think we should go have a fun day out on the town.
No, they're not. No way, Jose. I don't. I bet you 100. I bet you $100 gazillion. They won't add in the pumpkin launcher again.
Where are you two happy Pete's off to? Albert, shouldn't you be in bed? He's not tired. Oh, I didn't realize we had a
Yeah, your whole
geriatric
life
expert
savings.
on the premises. We're just going out to have some fun.
Okay, that's a little sneak peek of the incoming live stream. So if you liked it, hit that like button. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.